Hey everyone! I know it's been a little while since I posted a video over here on Michael Makes because, well, with lockdown and everything else, both making stuff and making the products was a little bit hard, and I've been focused on creating something brand new. I've been focused on making these. Right now, if you've been waiting, if you've been watching, the second LootTables Kickstarter is now live for these slim dice vaults that work not only for dice, but also for my healing potions, the very first product I ever made and sold online. Vaults start as little as $25. They're available in 10 exotic and domestic woods, and more will be unlocked throughout the campaign. I've been working on this project kind of in the shadows and a lot quieter than normal, with a few spoilers over on Instagram. Make sure to follow over at LootTables. This is a big project. I'm super excited. It's caused me to spin up and upgrade from all of the lessons that I've learned from the Dual Vault Kickstarter, including upgrading my laser engraver, which you now see in the background. I'm working on a more in-depth video as far as how this product is coming to life, which will be released soon, and first impressions on the Glowforge, which you might be a little bit surprised at what I think, but that is going to enable me to do a lot of different things with this Kickstarter, including doing edge engraving, something that I couldn't do before. Engraving something that was over an inch thick, practically impossible, but now I can do it. Including also full lid, borderless, edge-to-edge engraving, which is available as an optional add-on for your vaults. There are two designs to start, one that matches the Dual Vault campaign, a very similar geometric design, and then this circuit pattern, which I really love. I'm trying to get a third finished, but commissioning an artist for that has taken a little bit of extra time. If it is available, or if it doesn't become available, I'll make sure to communicate everything. There is an exclusive day one addition to these vaults, which only happen if you back in the first 24 hours. So if you know you're backing, back now. It's also important that the tiers are time-based, not based on the actual product that you're going to be backing. So a calculator is available on LootTables.com, where you can access and determine exactly how much you want to pledge. Your pledge saves your space in line, not exactly what you want. That'll all be handled in a backer kit pledge manager, which will happen after the end of the campaign. Now this has an aggressive timetable, and I'm going to be filling vaults and sending them out as early as July, with 50 backers each month until we work through everybody. It's also not going to be the only Kickstarter that I do this year. If you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I'm playing around with my new laser toy and coming up with a bunch of different things. I've already started commissioning artists to create something really impressive and amazing and uniquely ours, which is going to be launching later this year. But first things first, the Slim Vaults are now available. This hopefully means I'm going to have content to be able to publish here on this channel very, very soon. I've been focused a lot being over on Twitch at Lagundo and just live interaction. It's helped keep me through quarantine. But now with the weather warming up and my now broken HVAC system out in the garage, which is hopefully being repaired in the next few weeks, not being as much of an issue, I can finally get back to work. And this is how I want to do it, in a big way. So if you want to get a dice vault, or for the first time ever, a handmade dice set, which is going to be available in this Kickstarter, go back right now. Calculate your pledge to determine exactly how much you need, but reserve your spot in line for as little as $25 and then be able to adjust it as much as you want later down the road. 2020 was a hell of a testament and a hell of a trial in my first attempt at doing this, and I've learned a lot and incorporated a lot of those lessons into the Kickstarter. Hopefully this one will be able to be a lot more streamlined and a little bit easier on my own mental and physical well-being. 2021 is looking to shape up for kind of more of the same when it comes to lockdown and the time that I can spend, but thankfully I've learned lessons with who I'm working with and how I'm working that I'll be able to do so quicker and more efficiently. I'm super excited for this Kickstarter to launch, and I can't wait to hopefully celebrate the successes with you tonight on Twitch. I'll be talking with everybody on chat, and be sure to communicate. Expect frequent updates on the Kickstarter as the campaign continues through, and make sure to follow on the LootTables social media accounts as more information will be posted really soon. I'm very excited for this. I've already said that like 3 times throughout this whole video. I can't wait And hopefully, we're going to be launching this product into the stratosphere very, very soon. Thank you all so much. Be good to each other, and I'll see you on the campaign.